Do you ever feel like your kitchen has been invaded by tiny winged creatures that seem to multiply by the minute? Are you tired of swatting at these nuisances without success? Then this video is for you. Today, we're going to dive into 15 home remedies to get rid of fruit flies, plus a bonus tip that'll change the game. So roll up your sleeves, grab a notepad, and prepare to reclaim your kitchen from these pesky invaders. 1. Apple cider vinegar trap. Remember when you left that apple out and returned to find it swarmed with fruit flies? These little insects are attracted to the fermenting smell of fruits, and apple cider vinegar is no exception. Pour some into a jar, cover it with plastic wrap, and poke holes large enough for the flies to enter. They'll be drawn in but will struggle to escape, effectively trapping them. 2. DIV vinegar and dish soap trap. Dish soap, when mixed with vinegar, creates a deadly concoction for fruit flies. The vinegar lures them in, and the viscosity of the soap traps them. Simply mix these ingredients in a bowl and watch as the flies dive into their demise. 3. Red wine trap. Not only humans but fruit flies also can't resist a good red wine. Pour a little into a jar, cover it with plastic wrap, and poke some holes. The flies will be drawn to the aroma and become trapped inside. 4. Rotten fruit bait. It might sound counterintuitive, but using rotten fruit can actually help you get rid of fruit flies. Place some in a jar, create a paper funnel, and place it at the opening. The smell will attract the flies, and they'll be unable to escape once they enter the funnel. 5. Beer trap. Similar to the wine trap, a beer trap also works wonders. The yeasty smell of beer is irresistible to fruit flies. Set up a similar trap as the wine or vinegar trap, and watch as the flies fall for the bait. 6. DIY Sticky Flypaper. Remember that sticky flypaper your grandmother used to hang in her kitchen? You can create your own version by cutting strips of brown paper, dipping them in a mixture of sugar, honey, and water, and hanging them up. The sweetness will attract the flies, and they'll get stuck on the paper. 7. Clove Essential Oil. Fruit flies detest the smell of clove. Soak some cotton balls in clove essential oil and place them around your kitchen. The scent will drive the flies away, keeping your kitchen fruit fly free. 8. Lemongrass Spray. Lemongrass has a strong scent that fruit flies dislike. Mix 10 drops of lemongrass essential oil with a cup of water and spray it around your home. Not only will it deter the flies, but it will also leave your home smelling fresh. 9. Basil, lavender, and mint. These herbs aren't just for cooking. They're also natural fruit fly deterrents. Place pots of these plants in your kitchen and near your windows to keep the flies at bay. The strong scents of these herbs are off-putting to fruit flies. 10. Citrus peel trap. Citrus peels have a strong, enticing aroma that fruit flies can't resist. Place some citrus peels in a jar and roll a piece of paper into a cone for the top. The flies will be lured in by the citrus scent, but will be unable to escape. 11. Milk, sugar, and pepper trap. This centuries-old remedy involves simmering a pint of milk with 4 ounces of raw sugar and 2 ounces of ground pepper. The mixture emits a sweet, spicy aroma that attracts fruit flies. Pour it into a shallow dish, and the flies will drown in it. 12. Borax and sugar trap. Borax, a common ingredient in homemade cleaning solutions, can also help you get rid of fruit flies. Mix equal parts of borax and sugar and sprinkle it near suspected breeding sites. The sugar will attract the flies, and the borax will kill them. 13. Diatomaceous Earth. This non-toxic powder, made from crushed fossilized aquatic organisms, is lethal to any insect with an exoskeleton, like fruit flies. Sprinkle it around areas where you've seen fruit flies. They'll die upon contact with the powder. 14. Fly vacuum. This may sound a bit outlandish, but if you're dealing with a significant fruit fly infestation, a small handheld vacuum can be a lifesaver. Simply suck the flies out of the air and dispose of the vacuum bag immediately. 15. Clean, clean, clean. The best way to prevent a fruit fly infestation is by keeping your kitchen clean. Dispose of overripe fruits, clean your drain, take out the trash regularly, and clean up any food spills immediately. 16. Freezing your compost. If you're a composter, fruit flies might be a common annoyance. They're attracted to your compost bin like bees to honey. A simple trick is to freeze your compost scraps before adding them to your bin. This kills any fruit fly eggs, preventing them from multiplying in your compost. Potential drawbacks. While these remedies are generally effective, some may have drawbacks. Essential oils, while natural, can be harmful to pets. Borax, too, is toxic if ingested by children or pets. Always use these remedies with caution and keep them out of reach of children and pets. Also, remember that these methods work best in conjunction with preventative measures, like maintaining a clean kitchen. And there you have it, 15 home remedies plus a bonus tip to help you tackle your fruit fly problem head-on. Remember, the key to a fruit fly-free home is prevention. So keep your kitchen clean and take out the trash regularly. We'd love to hear which of these methods worked best for you, so don't forget to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more practical home advice. Until next time, stay fly-free.